Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Chiliz. What's the high price, what's the price change occur in the Chiliz in the previous last 1 hour and the previous last 2 hour. I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrencies market. Now let's see what's the price change occur in the Chiliz. Let's see the price prediction of Chiliz in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, that is a live price prediction of previous last 1 hour. The Chiliz take a jump in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see now on the graph, it's take a but unfortunately take a small jump. But don't worry, now currently at this time they are in the jumping. So if you want to invest in the Chiliz, so it's a big opportunity for you because at this time Chiliz take a jump. As you can see here, the change is about positive 0.214% change occur in the Chiliz, and the high price of Chiliz is about $0.512201 dollar is the high price of Chiliz in the last 1 hour, friends. Friends, that is a live price prediction of last 2 hour. What's your opinion of Chiliz? Please share in the comment box your opinion, and as it appears time to sell it, buy it, or hold it. Please share your opinion in the comment box. Now let's see the price prediction of last 2 hour of Chiliz. What's the price change occur in the Chiliz? Oh my goodness, what's the complete chart of the Chiliz at the last 2 hour? As you can see here, the Chinese fast for a little time and take a jump for a little time, as you can see here. But now currently at this time they take a high jump. Oh my god, it's absolutely good news for all Chinese holders, as you can see here. So the Chinese is about positive 1.84% change occur in the Chinese in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of Chinese is about $0.512201 dollar is the high price of Chinese in the previous last 2 hour. That is a live price prediction of Chinese in the previous 2 hour, and now currently they are in the jumping, as I told you in the start of this video. Currently they are in the jumping in the last 1 hour. So friends, if you want this type of more news and updates about cryptocurrencies market, so please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more videos.